Huh? Any doubts in the homework sums? No? We have seen issue of shares, huh? Issue of equity shares, preference shares, yes. We have seen the entries. Now next topic is forfeiture of shares. What is forfeiture? Cancellation, or you should say confiscation. Confiscation, okay. Come to page number 26. Page number 26. Sum number 12. Mega, read the sum. Mm. 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 Forfeiture and reissue. Forfeited shares has been reissued again. Okay. Forfeiture and reissue. How many shares has been forfeited? 500 shares. What is, I mean, share money is payable on a lump sum or in installments? Installments. What are the installments? Application? Huh? 2 rupees. Allotment? Okay. First and final call, na? 5 rupees. Total how much? 12. What is the face value? 10. 12 in the sense 2 rupees is premium. If nothing is specified, premium is included in allotment. Okay. If nothing is specified, premium amount is included in the allotment. So 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees comes to 10 rupees total. 2 rupees is the premium. Okay. Now tell me the entries. Bank account debit to share application. How much? They did not ask you for the journal entries of issue, but I am drafting the journal entries for your understanding. Huh? How many is the shares? 500 into 2 rupees. 1000. Huh? 1000. Next entry. Share application to share capital. Share application account debit to share capital. What is the amount? 1000. This is application money. Then what is the next entry? Share allotment. What is the entry? Due entry. Very good. Share allotment account debit. Account debit to, very good. Very good, Kashyap. To securities premium account. How much is the amount? Why securities premium? Premium, issued at premium. So here 500 into 5, very good. How much is the amount? 2500, very good. Here into 3, very good. 500 into 3, 1500. Premium, very good. 500 into 2 is 1000. Okay. These are the entries. Next, see, the only application money was paid by the shareholders. ड्यू एंट्री पास कर दी लेकिन हमको अलॉटमेंट मनी मिला नहीं है. यस और नो? अंडरस्टूड? Actually, what is the next entry? Bank account debit to share allotment money 2500, but we did not receive the allotment money. Now what is the entry on forfeiture? Okay, sir, what is the entry? Equity share capital account, equity or preference, whatever it may be. Equity share capital amount, equity share capital account debit for whole paid up capital. Sir, why? In the earlier entry, you can see how much is the share capital credited. Tell me the total share capital credit amount. Share capital credit is 2500. Yes or no? We did not receive this allotment money. Fine. What is the due entry for final call? Due entry for final call? Very good. Share final call. Share final call account debit to share capital account. Very good. You people have done the homework. I can understand. 500 into what is the final call amount? 5 rupees. Total amount is 2500. Yes or no? Now what is the total credit to share capital? 5000. Yes or no? So that is what I am writing in the next entry. See here, 500 into 10, 5000. After forfeiture, the shares no longer exist. Yes or no? So the corresponding equity share capital amount has to be reversed. Earlier share capital amount is credit balance. Now I have to debit it to make it 0. Understood? Till now clear? Yes. Next, I did not receive the allotment money, so the amount credited to securities premium also you have to reverse. You can see here, securities premium, how much is the amount? 1000. So you have to reverse. Sir, why I am reversing? I have to make it 0 because this securities premium I did not receive. Yes or no? Securities premium account. Account debit, how much is the amount? 1000. Very good. 2. Share allotment money. What is the amount of allotment money? 500 into 3, yes or no? 500 into 3 plus 500 into 2 also. Indirectly 500 into 5. This is the total amount, yes or no? How much? 2500. 500 into 5, indirectly you can write. Okay. What is the final call? To share final call. 500 into 5. How much? 2500. Okay. Now see carefully. 2. Share forfeiture account. What is this account? Share forfeiture account. How much? Sir, amount received till now. 500 into 2, how much? 1000. Sir, how much is the total amount? 6000. Yes. 6000, 6000. Understood? Indirectly what I have done, securities premium reverse entry, equity share capital reverse entry, share allotment money reverse entries. What is the earlier one? Share allotment debit 2500. Now here share allotment credit 2500. Clear? Share final call debit how much? 2500. Credit 2500. So what is this amount? Indirectly share application ka jo money. Understood? Understood? But so why are you crediting? Why are you not crediting share application? Because I have already cancelled this, yes or no? Share application. Yes or no? So that's why I'm using this account, share forfeiture account. Clear? Indirectly, this is a profit to the company. Yes or no? 500 into 2 rupees. This is a profit to the company. Clear? Clear? Now coming to reissue part. How many shares were reissued out of 500? 300 shares. Yes or no? Can you tell me the profit on 300 shares? This is the total profit, yes or no? Profit on forfeiture. What is the total profit? What is the total profit? 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees is for how many shares? 500. Now tell me the profit for 300 shares. Anyone? Brijesh on. From online students, Brijesh, Mohit. How much is the amount?
600.
600. Very good. 600. Indirectly you can say 300 into 2 rupees. Yes? Yes, 600. Yes? Or 1000 rupees profit is for 500 shares. I need for 300 shares. Anything. 600. Yes or no? Yes? Ha. Now what is the entry for reissue? At what price the shares were reissued? 9 rupees. Yes or no? 9 rupees in the sense, what is the face value? 10 rupees. Issued at 9 rupees. What is this? Issued at discount. Very good. Issued at discount. So while issuing, what is the entry? What is the entry? Bank account debit. How many shares? 300. 300 into 9 rupees. Yes or no? I'm passing a consolidated entry. Okay. Because everything has been already called. Application money they have received, allotment they have received, everything. So they'll not go for again installment basis. They'll collect for the reissued shares, I'm telling. Okay. For the reissued shares, they'll not go on installment basis again. They'll collect all the amount in lump sum. Okay. So 300 into 9, how much is the amount? 2700. Normally the account would be discount on issue of shares. Okay. Yes or no? We have already seen discount on issue of shares. But these are the shares which are reissued. So you should not debit discount on issue. You have to use forfeiture account. What is this account? Forfeiture of shares account. What is the balance? What is the balance which is available in forfeiture account? Tell me the balance. Check here. What is the balance here? 1000 rupees. This is nothing but profit, yes or no? So when you are reissuing the shares at discount, you have to utilize this profit amount first. Understood? Understanding? I'm not debiting discount on issue of shares. What I'm debiting? Forfeiture account, because I already have profit on forfeiture of same shares. Understanding? Understood? Ha. Forfeiture of shares, how much? 300 into 10 minus 9. What is the amount? 300 rupees. 300 into 1, indirectly you can say, but 10 minus 9. You have to show to the valuationer that shares have been issued at discount. Understanding? 2, equity share capital. 2, equity share capital. How much? 300 into 10. Total 3000. This is the entry for reissue. Okay. Understood? Any doubts till now? Normally I have to debit discount on issue account for 300 rupees. रीइश्यू के समय डिस्काउंट के जगह में, हाँ, if the forfeited shares are reissued, you have to always use forfeiture of shares account only. Okay, suppose if the shares are reissued at premium, you don't have any debit entry, yes or no? Understood? You will have securities premium account. Okay, then there is no such entry of forfeiture account. Understanding? You will debit forfeiture account only if the shares are reissued at discount. Understood? Only at discount. Discount is loss. You already have some profit on these shares earlier, so you have to utilize the profit first. So you should not debit discount on issue account. Clear? Now, what was the total profit on 300 shares? 600. Very good. Now, how much was the loss here? 300. Net, how much amount is left? 300. So this is nothing but net profit. Yes or no? This net profit you have to transfer to capital reserve. Forfeiture of shares or share forfeiture account. You can use anything. Okay, share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. Not general reserve, capital reserve. How much is the amount? 300. These are the entries. Sir, why you have transferred only the corresponding profit of 300 shares to capital reserve? Because rest of the 200 shares I did not reissue. Understanding? So the rest of the amount will lie in the share forfeiture account only. Yes or no? What was the total forfeiture amount here? 1000 rupees. Credit 1000. Yes or no? Debit how much? 300. Net forfeiture how much? 700 till now. Debit how much? 300. 700 minus 300? 400 is the profit on 200 shares. Yes or no? 200 into 2. Understood? So that 400 will remain in the forfeiture account. When the shares are issued, I mean when the 200 shares are reissued, then if they are issued at discount, then the corresponding discount portion will get adjusted. If they are issued at par, total amount goes to capital reserve. If they are issued at premium, total amount goes to capital reserve. Understood? Understood the flow? Clear? This is the concept of forfeiture and reissue of shares. Forfeiture is nothing but the company is confiscating the shares of shareholders whose call money or allotment money is due. You call them as calls in arrears. Clear? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts, Mohit, Brijesh?
No, sir.
Yeah, very good. Clear with forfeiture reissue part? Huh. We are done with issue of shares, equity shares, preference shares, forfeiture of shares, reissue of shares. I'm going to right issue. Right issue. What is right issue? What is right issue? Anyone? We have discussed this in the first class. Company first. Yes, very good, Kashyap. Now come to sum number 22, page number 47. Sum number 22, page number 47. Brijesh, read the sum.
The company is planning to raise funds by making right issue of equity share to finance its expansion.
The company wants to finance its expansion. Expansion in the sense, company is going to increase the size of its business. Okay, it need funds. Okay, it is going for a issue of equity shares. Okay, so new issue in the sense, it has to give first the option to existing equity shareholders. Okay, that's why this is called rights issue. Very good. Next.
The existing equity share capital of the company is 50 lakh.
50 lakh rupees. What is the existing share capital of the company? 50 lakh rupees. Very good.
The market value of its share is 42 rupees.
42 rupees. 50 lakh rupees, generally you can assume that face value is 10 rupees. Okay, market value will generally be above the face value. Okay, if I assume the face value is 100, market value is 42 rupees. That is not fair actually. Okay, I can assume that face value is 10 rupees here. So how many shares total? Existing shares of the company, how many shares?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Yes, 10 rupees into 5 lakhs, it is 50 lakhs. Okay, 5 lakhs are the existing shares. Market value is 42 rupees, nothing but 4.2 times greater. Yes, into 4.2, 4 times greater. Okay, next.
The company offers to its shareholder the right to buy 2 shares at 11 rupees each for every 5 share held. You are required to calculate.
You are required to calculate theoretical market price after rights issue.
Rights issue, the value of rights and percentage increase in share capital.
What is the ratio of rights issue? How they are offering? Sorry?
They are offering like for every 5 share they are.
What are the existing shares? Count how much is the number of shares? How much are the number of shares?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. For every 5 shares held, they are offering 2 shares. Yes. So 5 lakhs divided by 5. 1 lakh shares. For 1 lakh shares, they are offering 2 shares. Nothing but how many total shares they are offering? How many shares? 2 lakh shares. Very good. 2 lakh shares they are issuing as right issue. Understood? For every 5 shares held, suppose I am in this 5 lakh shares, I am holding 5,000 shares. Yes, 5,000 shares. For every 5 shares held by me, in the sense 5,000 divided by 5,000 shares, yes, into 2. For every 5 shares, they are offering 2 shares. Understanding? For every 5 shares held, they are giving 2 shares. So 2 lakh is the right issue. In rupees, how much is the right issue? In 11 rupees each. They are issuing at what? How much amount? 11 rupees. Sir, above the face value 10 rupees, but below the market value. Understanding? In the stock market, this share is trading at 42 rupees, but the company is giving it 11 rupees. Understanding? Understanding? Right issue, they have to offer a discount only. Generally, people of company offer a discount only. So if the company is issuing at 50 rupees, shareholders will not buy from the company. They'll go to the stock market. They'll buy from the market. Understanding? Yes? Now what is the first question they're asking? theoretical market price after rights issue. Generally, after rights issue, market price goes down. Sir, why? Sir, why? You know this supply demand concept? Yes? Supply demand concept. When supply is more, what happens to the price? When supply is more, what happens to the price?
Price falls.
Comes down. Very good. When demand is more, what happens to the price? Goes up. Price goes up. Yes or no? Now indirectly, before rights issue, say for example in the stock market, we have 5 lakh shares. Yes or no? Yes or no? After 2 lakhs issue were done, yes, say for example 5 lakhs, what is the market value? 42. Yes or no? Tell me the net worth here. Tell me the net worth. How much? 2160? Acha, 2160s. 2 crore 10 lakhs. Yes or no? Ha. Now 2 lakh shares, 11 rupees each. They are issuing it 11 rupees. Yes or no? What is the net worth here? Tell me the net worth here. Indirectly, 2 lakhs into 11 rupees is getting injected into the market. You are understanding, right? 2 lakhs into 11 rupees. This is the total fund. Yes or no? That the company is getting. Yes or no? What is the amount? 22 lakhs. Tell me the total here. 2 crores 32 lakhs. Yes? 2 crore 32 lakhs divided by 7 lakhs. Tell me the amount. Seven lakhs is the total shares, number of shares. Huh? How much? 33 point? Very good. Exactly. 33.14. Sir, what is the price before rights issue? Price before rights issue. What is the market price before rights issue? 42 rupees. Immediately after rights issue, what is the price? 33.4. You can understand the difference? After rights issue, indirectly supply is getting increased. Yes or no? Yes or no? Supply is getting increased. Sir, price is here, there is no demand. Yes or no? There is no demand. Company wants the capital. Here there is no demand. Indirectly it is issuing for less than share price. Yes or no? Yes or no? Indirectly what is the amount after rights issue? What is the price? 33 rupees. This is the answer for first question. 7 lakhs. What? No, you can take, I have taken for total share capital. In your sum, they have taken for 5 shares. Okay. I have taken for total share capital 7 lakhs. They have taken for 7 shares. Okay. You can do anything. No issue. Understanding? Understanding? They have taken for 5 shares because rights issue they are giving for 5 shares. For every 5 shares they are giving 2. I'll explain that also. See here, 5 shares into 42, what is the amount? 5 into 42, what is the amount? 210. 2 shares are given as bonus, yes or no? 2 into 11, how much? 22, 232. Okay? 232 is for 7 shares, yes or no? Per share, how much? You can take this as X, 232 divided by 7. What is the price? 33.14. Clear, na? Okay? You can take for 500 shares also, 5,000 shares also. Answer will be the same. Understood? Indirectly what happens after rights issue? Share price goes down because supply is more. More supply has been injected into the market. Understanding? Next, value of right. Value of right. What is the value of right? X rights price. I mean the share price before rights issue, share price after rights issue. Difference between these two is the value of right issue. Understanding? Value of right issue is nothing but market price before rights issue, market price just after rights issue. What is the amount? 42 minus 33.14. What is the amount? 8.86. Very good. This is the second answer. Third answer. What was the increase in the percentage increase in the share capital? What was the existing share capital? Equity share capital existing how much? 50 lakhs all you can take, or in number also you can take 5 lakhs. No issue. I am taking 50 lakhs. What was the rights issue? 20 lakhs. Yes or no? Yes or no? 20% on 20 divided by 50 into 100. Take the percentage. 20 divided by 50 into 100. Take the percentage. कितना? 40%. 40% is the answer. Percentage increase in share capital. Increase is due to rights issue. Yes or no? So rights issue is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs percentage on existing share capital is 50 lakhs. So 20 lakhs divided by 50 lakhs into 100 is the percentage. Yes or no? Understanding? Clear with this sum? Next, come to sum number 23. Understood? Any doubt? I forgot your name. Your name, Ankita, sorry. Your name is Prantik, Kashyap, Mega, Ankita. Yeah. Read Ankita 23, sum number 23. Has sufficient general reserve. 2 काट लीजिए उधर, वो printing mistake है. Assuming that the company has sufficient general reserve, the above through journal entries. The above through journal entries नहीं, journalize the above entries actually. ठीक है? क्या है इस सब में, क्या पूछ रहे हैं? क्या हो रहा है पहले वो बोलिए, क्या हो रहा है? फॉरफिट हो रहा है. यस और नो? फॉरफिट होने के लिए एंट्री किया था इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट विद द अमाउंट ऑफ टोटल कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल. कितना कॉल किया टोटल? कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल इज नथिंग बट एप्लीकेशन, अलॉटमेंट एंड कॉल मनी इफ एनी. Here they did not mention what is the called up money, so take it as 10 rupees. Okay, because the face value is 10 rupees, assume everything has been called up. Okay, equity share capital account debit, how many shares they are forfeiting? 100 shares. 100 into 100, what is the entry? Equity share capital account debit 1000 rupees. Clear? Next, calls in arrears. What they are writing? Calls in arrears. Sir, in the earlier entry you have credited to equity, to indirectly nothing but to share allotment money, to share final call money, yes or no? And the earlier sum I have credited what? Allotment account, final call account, yes or no? Yes or no? In the earlier sum, I have credited these two accounts, but now they are crediting calls in arrears. Why? Sir, in between this, they have one more entry which is nothing but calls in arrears account, debit to share allotment to share final call. Understanding? We have seen this entry already. Calls in arrears entry we have already seen. Yes or no? Sum number 8, I guess. We have seen this. Whenever you don't receive any money, you transfer that money to calls in arrears. Yes or no? So in between we have this entry. So instead of crediting this account, we have already created this account by debiting calls in arrears. Yes. So now you have to credit this calls in arrears account instead of allotment and final call. Understanding? Understanding? That's why here they have credited what account? To calls in arrears account. Calls in arrears account, how much? 5 rupees. Why 5 rupees? How much was paid till now? No. I'm asking on these 100 shares. Why we are forfeiting these 100 shares first of all? No, how much was not paid? 5 rupees. 5 was paid. Indirectly, how much was not paid? 5. That's why we are forfeiting. Yes or no? So, how much was paid? 5 rupees. Unpaid? 5 rupees. So, 500 paid, 500 unpaid. So, nothing but calls in arrear account, credit 500, forfeiture account, credit 500. Understood? 5 rupees has been paid on every share. So 5 rupees is the profit, yes or no? We are cancelling the shares. 5 rupees company can enjoy. Yes or no? So 500 credit, calls in arrears, 500 credit, forfeited shares. Clear with the first entry? Clear? I am not writing once again entry, because we have already discussed in the earlier sum. Next, reissue. Yes or no? फॉरफिट करने के बाद वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? टू बी इश्यूड एट 15 rupees per share as fully paid up. Understanding? How much was the face value? How much they are reissuing at how much? 15 rupees. Issuing a discount, par or premium? Premium. How much was the premium amount? 5 rupees. Do you have any loss on reissue? No. So the total amount on 100 shares goes to which account? Capital reserve account. So see the next entry. Forfeited shares account debit to capital reserve. 100 into 5 rupees. Total 500 rupees is going to capital reserve. Clear with the third entry? Now coming to second entry. To bank account debit. How much? 100 rupees into 15 rupees. 100 shares into 15 rupees. Sorry. 1500 rupees. To equity share capital, 100 into 10 rupees, share capital, yes or no? To securities premium, how much is the premium on one share? How much is the premium on one share? 5 rupees, very good Mega. 100 into 5 rupees, how much total securities premium? 500. Clear with the second entry? Total 3 entries are regarding forfeiture and reissue. Clear till now? Now coming to the rights issue. How many existing shares are there? No. Total existing shares in the company. $20,000. Very good, Ankita. 20,000 is the existing shares. Okay. Now tell me how many rights issue the company is issuing. Brijesh, how many right issue? Brijesh, Mohit, anyone? Slowly. No hurry, slowly. Okay. Existing shares, how many? 20,000. They are issuing rights issue in what ratio? 1 share for every 4 shares held. See here, you have existing 20,000 shares. For every 4 shares held, they are issuing 1 share. Yes or no? So 20,000 divided by 4 into 1, how much is the right issue? 5,000. Clear? 5,000 is the right issue. Clear? Right issue at what price? 15 rupees. So issue right issue at premium, discount, par. Which one? Right issue is being done at discount or par or premium. Premium. How much is the premium amount? 5 rupees. So what is the first entry? See the first entry. Bank account debit to equity share application. Nothing was specified here, so they are collecting all the amount in lump sum. Okay, bank account debit to equity share application. Total shares how much? 5,000, yes or no? 5,000 into 15 rupees. Tell me the amount. 75,000. Bank account debit to equity share application 75,000. Clear till now? Yes. Next entry, what is the next entry? Share application account debit to share capital. Yes or no? 2 securities premium. Share application how much? 75,000. Share capital में कितना जाएगा? 5,000 into 10 rupees. Very good. Securities premium में कितना जाएगा? Very good. 50,000, 25,000. Clear? I have given you December 23 paper. Huh? Open the paper once. December 2023 का पेपर मैंने दिया था. Check the first sum. Section B. Check the first sum. What is the sum? One second. Huh. See the second sum once. Have you seen this sum anywhere? Same sum. Give that, Prantik, you also see the sum once. Have you seen that sum anywhere? Have you seen that sum anywhere? Check the sum once. Same sum, na? Ha. Pass that paper here. फोर वाला है ना, नंबर्स के साथ एग्जैक्ट डिटो ना, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स दे हैव गिवन इट फॉर? 7 marks. See the sum? Exactly 7 marks. Huh? Theoretical market value of price, value of rights, percentage increase in share capital. Okay. So why I am showing this? Huh? You can expect exactly same question in the exam also. This is possible. Okay. And the first sum, see the first sum also. I mean in that same part, that is part B. See the part A also. Same this sum. See this sum. Read this sum once. Read this sum. Same, in the same example, you can see in this sum number 23, out of 100 rupees, they have paid 50 rupees. In this example, in the exam problem, out of 100 rupees, 50 rupees has been paid, yes or no? Here in the sum, out of 10 rupees, 5 rupees has been paid, yes or no? Understanding? So the sum is on forfeiture of shares. Second point. हाँ, इसमें क्या हुआ था? 80 पेड, यस और नो? 20 पेमेंट नहीं किया लास्ट में. थर्ड वन, reissued. First point is 5,000. How much is the number of shares? Count of shares? First point 3,000 shares. Second is 6,000 shares. Total 9,000 shares were reissued. Same entries. Understanding? 7 marks. Okay. So total first, I mean in section B, first sum is for 14 marks. Huh. Section B, first question is for 14 marks. Sir, what is the weightage which I told earlier? Weightage from accounts. How many chapters do we have? How many chapters do we have? Open the index once. How many chapters do we have? In accounts, how many chapters do we have? 5. What was the weightage did I mention in the first class? 10 marks each. In the paper you can see how many marks did you get in the first sum? 14 marks. Not only that, you can also see bits also. In the first section A. Section A देखो chapter 1 से कितना आया था? Fast. So first sum 14 marks. अभी तक जो weightage है 14 marks chapter 1 का. मैंने टोटल कितना लिखा है चैप्टर 1 बोल के? 2 each one. How many marks? 2 marks. So 2 into 2 4 marks. Total how many marks? 18 marks. So the weightage has been given for 10 marks, but you have received 18 marks in the exam. Understanding? Yes? Yes? If you, I mean, in theory paper, I mean audit, accounting is for 50 marks, yes or no? Accounting is for 50 marks. Audit is for 50 marks. Yes or no? Yes or no? Mohit, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Sir, in theory papers, you don't get full marks generally. Whatever the content you write, it is not possible exactly to portray the same answer in the exam paper. It is not possible for anyone. Yes or no? So the valuationer also knows this point. So you will not get full marks in theory paper. Okay, you will not get. But in practical exam paper, practical paper, you can score full marks. 50 out of 50 is possible. Okay. In that paper, total paper is for how much? Including choice, 128 marks. How much they have given for accounting? From accounting, how much they have given? See at the top? 70. They have given from accounting, they have given 70. Here 58. Yes or no? You can see the paper. 70 marks they have given from accounting. 58 marks they have given from auditing. If you attempt all these 70 marks, you can score easily 60 to 70 is possible. If you get all the answers right, you can score 60 to 70 easily. But here, even if you study the whole paper, you cannot score 58 out of 58 here. Understanding? Why I am telling this? Because in theory, you cannot score full marks. Yes? See the section B once. Kashyap, see the section B. From accounting, how many questions they have given? Out of 7, na? पूरा थियरी है. हाँ, ऑडिट में पूरा थियरी है. उसमें तो इंडेक्स में नहीं है, प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं मिलेगा. ऑडिटिंग पूरा थियरी है. This is the last December 2023 paper. 70 marks they have given from accounting, 58 marks they have given from auditing. Kashyap, see the paper once. I mean, section B से कितना आया था accounting में? सेक्शन बी से कितना आया? I'll give the paper for you also, huh? Let them see. Huh? Auditing से कितना आया था? See here once, see here once. See section A you have 15 questions into 2 marks, yes or no? Listen here once. Section A you have 15 questions, 2 marks each. From accounting you have received 7 questions, from auditing you have received 8 questions. I am telling the paper pattern, okay. Section B you have to attempt 5 out of 7. Each question is 14 marks. Yes or no, Kashyap? Huh? Out of this 7, 5 questions, I guess 4 questions are from accounting, yes or no? Out of 7, how many questions are from accounting? Four, yes. 4 questions are from accounting, 3 questions are from auditing. You have to attempt how much? Huh? 14 marks है. Questions कितने attempt करना है? 5. So you can choose 4 out of 4 from accounts, 1 from audit. Yes or no? So indirectly 4 into 14 how much? 56. 56 from section B. 7 into 2 how much? 14. Total how much? 70. In December 2023 paper you received 70 marks from accounting, 58 marks from auditing. This is the pattern of this December 2023 paper. I am expecting the same will be followed in June 2024 also. Understanding? So you can attempt 70 marks from accounting. So why you should attempt from accounting? Because in theory they will not give you full marks. But in practical, if the answer is correct, you can get full marks. Suppose the first question I have shown you in the paper, 14 marks. If all your entries are correct, your theoretical market value is correct, yes, value of rights is correct, increase in share capital is correct, you will get 14 out of 14. Clear? But if the same question comes from auditing, 2 7 marks questions, yes or no? 3 7 marks questions, I guess. You have 3 questions, 7 marks each. So you have total 6 questions. You can see here, you have total 6 questions. 6 questions theory, 7 marks each. So you can hardly get 5 maximum, I guess. Okay, 5 marks. Yes? Understanding? क्या वो अर्जेंट फोन है तो ले लो. हाँ. Clear? So that's why you better to concentrate on accounts if you are comfortable. Okay? If you are comfortable, you can concentrate here. You can see from the first chapter we have received 18 marks. How much marks? 18 marks. Same na? Pattern same na? Yes? 4 और 3 आया था. Okay, audit से 3 ही आया था. Although the weightage is same 50-50 marks, but 4 questions account से आया था, 3 questions audit से आया था. Okay. Clear with the pattern. Also, you have received exactly ditto sum for 7 marks without change in values also. Also, you can expect same question, बगल में 0 add करेगा. 10 rupees face value, 100 rupees face value. 5 rupees paid up, 100 rupees paid, 50 rupees paid up. Yes? 8 rupees paid up, 80 rupees paid up. Or in your book you have 100 rupees face value, in the exam they might give it for 10 rupees face value. Understanding? So why I'm telling this, do all the sums in your book. Okay, be thorough with the concept. Okay, it's easy to score in accountancy. I mean group 2 or group 1 also same accounting part. Okay, be thorough with the concept. Okay, do not by heart the sum, understand the concept, why this account is debited, why this account is credited, what is the amount, for what amount it is debited, what amount it is credited. We have a logic, yes or no? Yes? Okay, I'm closing this for now. Tomorrow we will discuss bonus issue. Yeah, we are left with bonus issue, sweat equity, ESOP and buyback. Okay, now till this 23rd sum, which sums I did not tell here in the classroom, take it for homework till 23rd. Okay, till 23rd sum, if you have any doubts you can ask me in the next class. Okay, yeah.